So our refrigerator died yesterday, and instead of trying to get it fixed again, we went ahead and just bought a new one, and they're here to deliver it. Just did a quick sweep job before they bring the new one in. You guys are good.
Oh yeah!
Okay, Austin, stay back here. Stay out of the way.
Oh my god, that's so cool! Yeah, I'll try my train.
When the other one broke a couple months ago, I ended up having to go and, not having to, but I went out and looked at all the different places in the area for prices on refrigerators, and Lowe's ended up being the one with the best prices. They were having the Memorial Day sale at the time, so they had really good prices. This time, they were having an extension of the 4th of July sale, so we actually got this one here. I want to say it was like 24 cubic feet inside, whereas the other one was 26. But we got this one on sale for $14.98, and then I went ahead and got the Lowe's credit card and did the 6 months no financing charge. So we should be able to get this paid off in 6 months, and then I'll close the card out. But unexpected payment or unexpected expense, but you know, we had the old one for 15 years. So I figured let's spend the money now, because I plan on having this one for 15 years as well. Both of the boys are starting school next week, so we figured we'd do a little family trip, and we're going to the Aquarium of the Pacific. Having to get the new refrigerator kind of threw everything off schedule, so I think it's about 11:30 now. We had meant to leave like at 9 in the morning to get out there, but hopefully we'll be out there in an hour and a half, and be able to spend 2, 3, 4 hours there. Okay guys, where are we going?
We're gonna go see some fish.
We're gonna go pet some stingrays and some sharks.
Yay.
I think it'd be fun. Looks like they have the Special Olympics going right now, so they got some streets blocked off. There we go. Okay, go out, Logan. So the aquarium's right there behind me. But none of us ate lunch before we left because of the refrigerator situation. So we're gonna come over here and see what we can find for food. Well, it looks like Bubba Gump Shrimp Company is the winner. Yeah, I'll think about it. So this place definitely has personality. This is a thing of beauty. So we just got done at Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. I rated a solid good. But for the 5 of us, with getting 2 kids meals, it came out to $96. You add a decent tip to it, came out to $111. So I would not recommend it at that price. Like I said, it's a solid good for what we ate. You know, I'd pay 60 bucks and not think twice about it, but 111 was just a little too much for me. So take that with a grain of salt.
Look at bird! Look at free bird. Look at their head.
Oh, are they taking a bath?
Yeah. Free bird bath. Those are called pelicans.
No, I think those are seagulls.
They're going in a hole.
Oh, watch. Let's see what happens.
Oh, nuts.
I would have to say, I think that these are the second most ugliest hats I've seen in my life.
Stop. They're not.
Over here, come on. 2, look right here, 2 fingers. Oh, there we go. Ooh, they feel like gummy bears. Right here, this one. 2, real easy. Okay. my god, this place is filled with overpriced knickknacks.
That's awesome hot. Fish.
It's about 6:30. We're all done shopping. Exit to the right, babe. All done shopping. Got little knickknacks for the kids. Got a good 4.5 hours in. So I'm happy. Now we gotta battle Thursday night traffic and go home. Thank you. I don't know if you can see the lighthouse from here, but we're gonna go down and check it out. Here's the lighthouse and the Queen Mary. Just went out, saw the lighthouse, which is pretty cool. But we got to see, just a minute, we got to see the Queen Mary. And now we just did a big circle coming down from the lighthouse. We're going to go find Mommy and Grandma. We're going to head home.
So flush that down the toilet.
Thinking what?
Flush that down the toilet.
I don't know about that.
Daddy, I smell cow poop.
Oh, it's fish. It's old stinky fish. Just close your nose.